Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to highlight duplicate. As example, we have these tables and I will highlight duplicate in these G columns. You can select like this and then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and then you can click duplicate values. So be sure for the duplicates in the red color. You can change color by clicking at this option, yellow, green, or another color. If you done, you can click OK. And as example, I will change these cells into 320. So the duplicate highlight will be automatically removed. Okay, I will set again in here into 500 ones and like this. If you want to compare between these two segments, you can select and also select again at these cells. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, click duplicate value. So you can see we have the duplicate option in it. Click OK again to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to highlight a duplicate. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.